Welcome to Medico Legal Goa. Today we are going to understand the consent to operate which is issued by the Goa State Pollution Control Board for bedded hospitals. The first step is to log in to Goa ocmms.nic portal, select industry under the new industry registration and enter your name of the hospital or a individual applicant's name followed by the mobile number. Select the district, the taluka, and you will receive a OTP on the registered mobile number. Once the OTP is received, enter the OTP to generate your user ID and password. It's very important you save this user ID and password because it is used to log in to the Goa OCMMS portal and submit the application online. Here you can see the user ID and password which is generated. Now go to the Goa OCMMS portal, punch in your user ID and password and log in to enter the credentials, which is your industry name, the name of the hospital, and the type of the industry is hospitals which are generating less than 100 KLD waste per day. Write the approximate figure of the investment done for the project, and then it is mandatory to update the industry profile, under which you have to enter the basic details like address, email ID, phone numbers, and other credentials. Again, as depicted, hospitals generating less than 100 KLD water with no incinerators are to be categorized under the orange category of the Pollution Control Board. Now, once you have landed on the main page of apply to consent, you have to make the application for new projects under the consent to establish, for existing hospitals under the consent to operate. So CCA expand is the choice which you have to select, for which the consent will be granted, and under this orange category environmental clearance for such projects is not required. Click next to go to the main application page. Here you will find the details of your hospitals auto captured by the credentials you have entered under your profile. It's very important to note that the product which is mentioned in the application are the hospital beds. So kindly enter the number of hospital beds which your hospital has or propose to have. Once you have entered these details, other important factors are the wastewater which you are going to utilize, you are going to generate, the disposal mechanisms, air emissions, your DG sets, hazardous waste, which is the spent oil from the DG sets, solid waste management details like wet waste, biomedical waste, dry waste, a projection of the waste which you are going to generate have to be depicted in the application form, followed by the disposal mechanisms, and then you come to the documents section. Various types of documents have to be uploaded along with the application. The list of documents is already depicted in the application itself. So kindly keep a PDF copy of the listed documents which are applicable to your hospital. The fees are generated as per an auto calculator depending upon the investment done. Submit the application successfully to complete the procedure.